part A of the OET exam, tips and keys how to pass this part of the exam. So this is one of the most important part of the OET exam. You have to maximize over here and try to get at least 18 out of 20, 17 out of 20, 16 out of 20, because other two parts, part B and part C, are very difficult. Okay, so first of all, how many questions are there? There's 20 questions over here in the part A. The first 7 questions are just matching questions. So you just need to match with the text, with the corresponding text. Then the next over here is going to be, there's going to be 7 question answered. So you're going to ask a question and then you're going to answer it. And the remaining 6 is going to be fill in the blank questions. So these are going to be fill in the blank over here. So you're going to get 20 questions and you have 15 minutes. So you're going to have 15 minutes over here. So how you want to deal with this? So that means there's going to be 900 seconds. So that means you have approximately 45 seconds per each question. But what you want to do, what's the is the main strategy over here, is that you want to spend 30 seconds scanning each text. So text A, text B, text C, text D. You want to scan each text. Usually over here, the text A usually has the introduction. It has, sometimes I've seen symptoms, sometimes I've seen complication text A, but it's usually like introduction. Text B, it's usually like risk factors, or it could be usually symptoms. Text C is usually diagnosis, and text D, the last text, it is usually any sort of complications with this. So this is going to be the key when you are when you are writing over here. Okay, so now let's come over here into the so you're gonna have 30 seconds to scan each text. Just read keywords and titles, subtitles. Look at these main things: keywords, titles, and subtitles. And then you're gonna basically have 13 minutes remaining. So approximately 780 seconds, which is approximately 39 seconds per question. So know that you have 39 seconds per question, and you want to do it in that rate. Let's come over here. What are the key advices? You want to read fast. You want to remember what you read, and you want to only copy from the text. So what this is going to lead to two main things. One, this is going to avoid any sort of spelling mistakes. So any sort of spelling mistakes will be avoided with this technique. And number 2 is that the answer is not going to be from your mind. So if they ask what is a treatment plan for diabetes, so you can't just mention anti-diabetic drugs. You're going to write down whatever is in the text, because that's only where the answer is. It's not anything general knowledge. So you're going to get the correct answers if you're going to be asking from the text. One common problem is called reduced regression. So it's when you read the question, you go to the text and you forget what the question was. So you forget the text, that wastes a lot of time. And as we know, OET is going to be, you're very limited on the amount of time that you have. Next thing is, guys, you want to improve your memory. How you want to improve your memory? Sleep. Sleep is very important. So before your exam, make sure to sleep and make sure to be quite healthy while sleeping. Okay, and then over here, the you want to do the skimming method. So you want to do this sort of a skimming method. So you want to focus on keywords, titles, and subtitles. And then over here, if you find out the answer, then you want to look at the corners of the text. So wherever the corners of the text is, you want to look over there, and there you can find the answers. And you guys want to look for a lot of synonyms. They're going to be asking you what is the best. They may ask you, for example, what is the best method to relieve the pain. Whereas one of the main ways you can write this as what, and in the text it may be the way the pain is reduced. So relieve, reduce, these are both synonyms. The another way to look at it is you can look at the same thing. It can be the third day, or day number 3, or after 72 hours. All of these are the same thing, but these are each synonyms to each other. So you want to make sure to do that. So guys, try recap of OET part A. It's 20 questions, 15 minutes. Spend 2 minutes, 30 seconds on each text, scanning for titles and titles, subtitles, and keywords. And then you want to spend 39 seconds on each question. And you're going to have the first 7 questions is matching question. Next 7 questions is answering. And the last 6 questions are fill in the blanks. Then over here, you want to read fast. Remember what you read. Make sure you sleep properly. And focus on keywords and the subtitles. And then you want to look for any sort of synonyms which may be found in that place. So hopefully you guys found this useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.